On the last episode, you joined us for a pretty eventful spa day at Disney's Aulani Resort. On this episode, join us for an excursion of whale watching, brunch at the Salt and Pepper Cafe, climbing up to a waterfall, and ending the day with a picnic at Lanikai Beach. Okay, Grateful Gang, we are starting day 2 of Oahu Vegan Adventures and headed to the pier to go whale watching. Okay, we saw whales!
We saw a couple. We got some in there.
It was so cool, y'all. All right, now we're gonna go.
Get some food.
Oh, I'm so excited for breakfast. We're so hungry.
We can start. We only had a little bar.
Yeah.
A vanilla bar.
That was it.
That was it. So it's time to eat.
So we're gonna go to this place called Salt and Pepper Cafe. That's pretty close into Waikiki area, and then they've got a full vegan menu. They're not all completely vegan, but they do have a separate vegan menu, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited to get the ube French toast, and then you're gonna get the artichoke eggs Benedict.
Yeah.
We've already prepped the menu.
Really got it.
All right, we'll see you guys for breakfast. Hey Grateful Gang, so we are here at Salt and Pepper Cafe, and not only do they have a really great menu for vegans, they actually have a full separate menu for vegans, and they've got some amazing breakfast items. We are getting the ube French toast, and we also got an acai bowl, and we also have an artichoke eggs Benedict coming, so I'm really excited to show you guys what this looks like. Thoughts, babe?
This is bomb.com. So fresh as well. So good.
those potatoes were pretty crunchy.
Yeah, right. Nice and fresh.
Alright, now I'm about to dig into mine. And honestly, I can't remember the last time I had ube something.
Look good.
It's really good. Y'all, this right there. This vegan artichoke crab cake is so good.
Yeah, I'm about to eat it all. She better hurry up. She gonna lose out.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Salt and pepper. This is a must stop for sure. The whipped cream that they have on this is so good. I literally could eat this all day with fruit. All right, you guys, we just finished breakfast at Salt and Pepper Cafe. It was so
really
good.
It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was, I give it a 10. That's
a 10.
Yeah,
That's good.
Yeah, I know. Well, when you try it, you gonna give it a 10 too?
I definitely really liked it. I really liked the ube French toast and your artichoke crab cakes were really good.
That was better than toast, but...
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, yours was better than mine.
Yeah, I know.
But definitely, you guys have to come here if you are wanting a really good brunch option on Oahu that's vegan. This place is the spot to be.
Plenty other items on the menu too.
Yeah, there's a lot to choose
really good.
from.
They were talking about a burrito that's really good.
Oh yeah, the chorizo burrito.
Yeah,
So definitely stop here, and if you're here on a Sunday, make sure you make some reservations. It gets really busy. We were just talking to the owner, and he said that Sundays are crazy. So we're here on a Tuesday morning, so it was not
chill.
packed at all.
Maybe
yeah,
3-4 people in there at a time.
Yeah,
at most.
Really relaxed. So make sure you get here either on the weekday, or if you're coming on a weekend day, make a reservation. All right, let's do it.
It's gonna be long walk right here. About a mile and 1.7. So it's gonna be a long trip. So she's gonna have to make it through this. We'll see how long she lasts.
Yep, let's see. Let's see how I do on this. Oh goodness. Baby. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Oh man, I just got. That's the one thing I did want to do.
We made it.
We made it. We're about to get on the waterfall.
We're definitely not ready, like dressed or prepared for this, but
we're ready.
I'm sure we'll dry off. This was definitely worth it. This was really, really cool. Wow. Okay, guys, we did it. We completed the trail. Babe, how do you feel?
Good.
All right, you guys, so that was fun. That was muddy. We're gonna try to figure out how we're gonna get back in the car
because there's mud all over our shoes. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go pick up some lunch and spend some time on the beach. So let's go get some relaxation in, you guys, and some beach time. All right, we've made it to Beet Cafe. We're hopefully gonna get some food to go, so we can go have that at Lanikai Beach. So let's see what they have on the menu. Okay, we're at the Beet Cafe. We've got some pineapple spirulina, and we have some egg McMuffins coming that are vegan. I'm so excited. Are you?
Yeah, I'm always excited.
We're gonna take it to go so we can eat this on the beach. Okay, we just got our order. It's to go, but let's peek inside. Look at everything massage, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Yum. This legit looks like a McDonald's breakfast sandwich. So awesome. Oh.
There he is. There's another one.
There's chickens everywhere, guys. All right, we're at Lanikai Beach.
Chill back and relax a little bit.
And we've got our lunch here from Beet Cafe. We're about to chow down, and this is our view for lunch. Wow. This is such a nice day, you guys.
Good. Very nice day.
Wow. I mean, look at this view.
After that hike.
Yeah. Now we're gonna grub out on some egg McMuffins and and then we also got some chocolate cake from them too.
Yeah. With some tater tots.
Yum. Guys, this can't be beat. Oh, literally, beatbox. I'm funny. But really, this can't be beat. Egg McMuffin here at beautiful Lanikai Beach.
Shake back around, don't play me, just come find me. All of my patience has run dry, 'cause you've been wasting all my precious time. How do you look me in the eye when I already told you? Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't
Oh, we
free.
ready now. We strapped up. We good to go.
Babe, are you gonna take your hat off?
No, I'm leaving it on.
What?
Well, you come and you go, but baby, this
About to go in.
so the record's been broke, but we're still on repeat, yeah.
These videos were filmed prior to the COVID-19 outbreak. My heart and thoughts are with all of those affected, and I hope that these videos provide an escape during this difficult time. Thank you for watching.